If you spend any time on this website, or if you ever give our offices a call to chat about motivational interviewing learning and MI curricula and those kind of things, you'll certainly hear and learn this notion that motivational interviewing, or the learning of it, is not a curriculum, it's a process. The truth of the matter is that coming to the MI way of working with people is something that usually unfolds over a period of time as people kind of adjust and tweak the paradigm with which they come to work with clients and understand the process of change and so forth. Miller and Rolnick, who are the progenitors of MI, indicate that the learning of MI is a process, not a curriculum. It's interesting to us as trainers that often organizations and individuals phone us to talk about the curricula that we use in training motivational interviewing. And in addition to talking about that, we also want to talk about the process that needs to unfold in order for people to come to this way of working with clients. Bill Miller and Teresa Moyers and others have put a great deal of thought into the stages or the evolution by which people come to understanding the motivational interviewing way of being with clients. And they've suggested that there are in fact 8 different stages that people evolve through in sort of adopting this approach. At the fundamental level, or at the very base of the triangle, the structure of motivational interviewing that I've posted before and in other places on the site, is the overall spirit of motivational interviewing, that it's very important in initial workshop training to master the process by which we develop the spirit of collaboration, a tendency to evoke particular kinds of language and speech from clients rather than to install the reasons and the need for them to make changes, and to also support the autonomy of clients in the decision-making process. Once people have kind of perfected the learning of the spirit of motivational interviewing and can create that kind of a spirit of communication with their clients, they can move on to higher levels of learning of this approach. The second level of learning MI involves learning the ORS skills, which is to say, to learn how to use open-ended questions in such a way to evoke the client's reasons for wanting to change and their desire for change and their need for change and that kind of thing. Also to affirm positive steps in the right direction with clients and to affirm strengths and skills and capacities. To reflectively listen to clients and also to reflect to clients the important elements of what they're saying as they begin to build arguments for wanting to change, and then to use summaries strategically to move the conversation forward. The third stage of motivational interviewing involves learning to listen for change talk and to recognize change talk, which involves clients' desire, ability, reason, and need for change. And they're taking steps toward that change. And once you've mastered that, you can move on to deciding what to do with that change talk once you've elicited it, and so forth. So one of the things we'll do with you and with your organization is talk about how it's really important to design training programs and curriculum that target where people are at in the learning of motivational interviewing. Some people come to courses already at the second and third stage if they've taken previous training in this field, and some people are starting more at the level of developing collaboration. So in any case, our goal here is to always customize training as best we can to suit the needs of the individual learners.